Hello, welcome to the channel and welcome back to Resurwreck Autos HQ. So today guys, it is Monday. I am going to be putting a video out today. I wasn't going to be putting a video out because only an hour ago I was still away for the weekend down in Hastings in Sussex. So I was down there and I thought, you know what, I'm going to come back and this afternoon I'm going to show you a new project, another subscriber's car. This guy's been asking me to sort of try and source this car for his wife. Again, it's an automatic and he's been struggling to get it. So finally, we was able to get one. It is a car that I've done before, but it's I've only ever done it once before. So yeah, it should be a nice one. So let's get it in. I'll show you what we got. We'll have a walk around the new project for one of my subscribers. Yeah, let's do this. Okay, so the new project is just behind me. Let me show you another subscriber's car that I'm helping out. And we'll have a look at the damage. We'll have a walk around it, show you what we're dealing with. Let's do this. It is a Nissan Duke. Another one. So I did a black one of these, more or less the same sort of age. This one is a 66 plate, 2016, and it's got side corner damage. I'll show you. I'll get that into a minute. But this was, like I said, it's a subscriber's car, and he's been messaging me for a while now, and he's been looking for this car in automatic for his wife. And obviously, you know, depending on budget and stuff like that, but it needed to be an automatic for his wife to drive around this. You can only drive automatics. So nice little suede inserts with a little bit of leather here. Not too much, it's a bit weird, but I don't think it's one of the top specs. But it has got reversing camera. Has it got sensors? Yes, it's got reversing sensors and a reversing camera, which is up there, on there, which is pretty cool. You can see this bumper here, if anyone just noticed that, but look at this bumper, it's completely scuffed up. Now, don't know if that was anything to do, I can't imagine it was anything to do with the actual accident. I just think that's wear and tear of people dragging things in and out of the boot, and it's just scratching it up. So, he's already seen this car. They've both already come out to have a look at it when I picked it up for him. Picked it up from this one from Salvage over in Kent. So yeah, and when I bought it back, they come over, had a look around it, and that's one of the first things he said. I said to him, "Look, do you want me to deal with this or leave it?" He went, "Nah, can you deal with it and get it painted?" So we're going to get this bumper resprayed at the back. Not much else is going on apart from obviously where the damage is, which is you know, it's confined to this corner here. This is a Category N non-structural damaged car, so that's how they categorise them. Cat N non-structural, S structural. That's how they do it. And it is a X as well, which means insurance. It's come directly with insurance, total loss, and yeah. And it runs and drives as well, which is good. It's always good to, you know, get them running and driving. So like I said, this is where the damage is here. We've got this door, this wing, very slightly on this wing. I'm not sure if it's a lot. It's like that there, which you can't, it's really hard to see, but it's got a little ding there. I think that's it. It may just need straightening up a little bit, but I think we might get away with that wing and leave it on. Clean up the alloy wheel, because that's all scuffy. You can see that straight away, it's all scuffed. You know, he said just do the best you can with that, and he'll be happy with that. We've got a new bumper going on, because there is some areas where, you know, possibly you heat it from the back, and that would possibly pop out, but there's slight areas where it's popped through there, you know. And I showed him, I said, look, you got two choices here. You can rather let me try and repair it and then respray it, and then, you know, hopefully that will be job done, or we can go and get a new one. And he just said more or less straight away, let's just get a new one. So that's what we've done. I've ordered one. This light as well, you can see it's all faded. Something's going on in there, so we've got to order a new light. Headlight as well. Order a new top light. Was that the top light? That's the headlight. I can't remember. So, but yeah. Hold on, someone's coming to the door. Hold on. Sorry about that, guys. It was Jack from Car Colour Services, where I get my paints from. He was dropping off some change that they owed me. It was only about £2.25 or whatever it was, but he was passing, so he thought he'd drop it in and give me the change. So, yeah, which was really strange because no one really knows I'm here today. I just come in, get some bits and pieces, and show you guys the new project. So yeah, we was talking about the bumper, weren't we? It has got some damage around this side as well, the bumper, and it's just not really. I don't know. Possibly would get away with it, possibly, but he wasn't. You know, he wasn't interested in. Let's just get a new one. I think the grills are okay. None of these is broken. The plastics, none of the top grills, because they're quite expensive. All these little trims and stuff. But that's all okay. We can reuse all those. We can reuse this side light, but we'll just replace the other side, and we'll replace that top one. I showed you that one's solid. That one. This one, it's obviously tabs are broken, and again you could probably fix them. But he said, nah, just get another one. So. That's exactly what we're going to do. We're also going to get a service done on this as well. He wants a service done. There is some suspension damage on this as well. Definitely in the wrong position, that wheel. So probably a lower control arm. Could be tie rod end. Not sure at the minute, but there's definitely something going on in there. So we'll get into that. He knows about that. The door... Very, very difficult to try and find this door in colour. So I spoke to the painter and the body shop guy, and he said, yeah, easy, repair that, easy. You know, don't replace that. So, yeah, that's what we're going to do with that. Like I said, it's a cat in, so should be no structural damage. And it runs and drives. So let's go in, have a look. I'll show you the mileage, because the mileage is pretty good as well, I've got to be honest. So, foot on the actual brake, push the start button here, and she fires up. So let's have a look at the mileage. If you'll show it, should do. Mileage is 32,230. So 32,230. That keys keeps flashing there, look. Oh no, it's gone off. So yeah, like I said, it's got reversing camera on this one, so you just put it into reverse. The camera comes up there. It's got sensors as well. You can hear them bleeping away. Digital climate control. But yeah, you know, quite a nice little car. For what it is, I've got to be honest. Like I said, we have done one of these before. These Nissan Jukes, they're quite popular little cars, aren't they? These Nissan Jukes. I didn't really sort of look at them before, but I'm starting to do a little bit more looking into these, because they are sort of worth getting. It's got these like top black headliner as well, which is quite nice. The armrest isn't broken, this one as well, so that's good. It's quite solid. So that's not broken. They normally break, don't they? So what do we think so far of the new project? Like I said, it is a subscriber's car. He's paid for it. He's paying for the parts. And he's paying, obviously, my labour to do the work as well. The rest of the car, I've got to be honest, both sides... It's a nice, clean car. It really is. Even the alloys are really clean. Just a shame about that bumper, but we'll get it done. The tailgate's fine. No issues. It's a nice, clean car. This side, it's good, isn't it? Tyres are really good. great tread on these tyres. Like I think they're more or less close to being new, because you've got these little things here that stick out. That's probably one of the telltale signs of a new tyre, if you've got those sitting around, and it is sitting all around it. So I think at some point they've had some new tyres fitted, decent discs and pads, so we ain't got to touch them. And it just needs a clean up, doesn't it, inside and out. Get it MOT'd. No advisories again, that's what we want. But yeah, we're going to get into this and actually strip this back, take the bumper off, take the headlight out, take the wing off, sort the door out. We're going to start doing all that in the next couple of days, as and when the parts start turning up, the lights, the bumper, and that sort of stuff starts to arrive. We can then jump on it and then get cracking with it. So yeah, I just thought I would show you this new project today, because like I said to you, I've been away, and I'm still in holiday mode, and I really didn't want to do anything today. So we stretched it. We were supposed to come back yesterday, which was Sunday, and we was like, oh, should we just stay another night? So we just ended up staying there. Such a great time though. It was great just getting away, and you know, it's all apart from these ones, this one and Mark's EcoSport. All the other cars are my cars, and no one. I wasn't expecting anyone to turn up today as well for any work, services, anything like that at all. So I thought, yeah, let's just stay down there. So that is what we did, and I'm glad we did, because it was great. We had a really nice weekend. But back on it tomorrow, guys. Full videos every day. And I think tomorrow we're going to continue with this, actually. We'll get the... I've got to go and get the cables, handbrake cables. And we'll sort that out and have a good crack at this tomorrow. So, yeah. But what do you think about the new project? Let me know. Drop me a comment, guys. Give the video a thumbs up. Really appreciate that. And we'll be seeing this one very soon on the channel in the next few days. So that's it. Nice and short. Have a great evening, and I'll see you tomorrow. Take care. Thanks for watching.